Hello everyone. Hope all of you are well. So today we are going to discuss about Mentimeter.com. So for this I am going to write Mentimeter and just click and search for Mentimeter on the Google. So here we have the first link as Mentimeter, an interactive presentation software. In this, we can interact with our audience using real-time voting. So it is one of the platform where we can have feedback from our audience or students, that is in the form of live feedback or real-time feedback. So I'll just click here and we'll go to the Mentimeter.com. So this is the simple interface where we can have Mentimeter. We can create interactive presentations and meetings wherever you are. So you have to sign up for using this software. If you little scroll down, you can have the Mentimeter. What is a Mentimeter? So you can prepare it, you can engage your audience, and then you can follow up. So you can build interactive presentations with easy to use online editor. We can add our questions, we can add polls, quizzes, slides, images, GIFs, and more to your presentation to create fun and engaging presentations. So every preparation part is with you. You want to add your images, slides, GIFs, you want to add polls, quizzes, questions, it's all on you. So it's a powerful tool which we actually handle. The second feature or second thing is engagement. Your audience uses their smartphones to connect to the presentation where they can answer the questions. So if you are an educator or a teacher who wants to prepare a Mentimeter question, you have to log in through Mentimeter.com. And if your students want to answer that, then they have to visit www.menti.com, and there they visualize their responses in real time to create fun and interactive experience. The follow-up is there. Once your Mentimeter presentation is over, we can share and export it, and we have the export of the results so that we can further analyze and even compare data over time to measure the progress of our audience. So if you go for the features part, you have to click here, that is explore the features. Here are some of the features which are available in the Mentimeter. You can build interactive presentations in the presentation builder. You can collect polls, data, opinion from your participants using smart devices, as well as we can get insights on participants with trends and data export. So you can have all these kinds of presentations in the Mentimeter, that is in the form of chart, in the form of word art, in the form of these kind of questions, or you can have this kind of presentations. So all that can be done in the Mentimeter. If you want to test the Mentimeter, just enter the code and submit your answer to experience the easy and fun way of sharing your voice with Mentimeter. If I go little down, this is the actual information. If you are using Mentimeter on as an audience, you have to simply type the code which your teacher or educator has given to you for the feedback part. So here you have to enter the code and then you have to submit it, and then you will get the question and you can answer it. So Mentimeter is structured in the way our minds work, and it is used for fostering engagement, connections, and the ability to engage with the presenter. So this is something which is given by T. Deflin, who is a professor. You can build interactive presentations. 13 interactive question types are there in the Mentimeter, including word clouds and quiz. So you have a huge variety of questions you can use for your audiences. You can build entire presentation quickly and easily with the content slides. There are the slides which you can use and you can create the presentation. You can select from different presentation themes or build your own. You can have templates or you can start from the scratch. These are integrated with free stock images, so you are not going to engaged in the copyright content, and there are GIF libraries too. So you have the power of interactive presentations. Then you can present it to the you present it to engage. You can these are easy to use presentation mode. The audience interact enormously with the smart device. They use the Menti mode to moderate. You can use the Menti mode to moderate and control the presentations. If you want to become moderator, that is also possible. And it actually enables the profanity filters in multiple language. So if the profanity is concerned, you can have the moderation part, and you can restrict some of the words which are not treated good in this kind of interaction with the students. Then you can analyze data and then take the action. You can export the data which you gathered from your audience. Suppose if I have a poll for just like a question whether you like this session or not, and suppose 80% of the audiences said yes and 20% said no. So you can export the data in the PDF format or the Excel file, and then you can analyze it whether what is the actual audience reactions for that session, and then you can analyze that what action is to be taken. Then you can compare data over times and trends. Suppose my first session was liked by 85% and the second session was liked by only 65%. So I can compare data, and then I can see that okay, with the time my level of teaching or other thing has been fallen up and fallen down, and then I have to go with the trend. Then segment responses to get deeper insights, and you can collect feedback with the help of surveys. So you can analyze data and you can take the actions. There are other features available in the Mentimeter, that is word cloud. You can create stunning word clouds. We had already used the word art.com for creating our word clouds. You can export the data, you can translate them from for your audience, and you can Menti mode. So these are the few features. I'm just going back because we have came here to discuss the features, and now we will going to work for the Mentimeter part. So just select this. Okay, this is Mentimeter, that is Mentimeter home web page, where you can enter the code to vote. If you have any code, you can enter it and then you can vote. Suppose some teacher has given me the vote, that is the code as 123456. I can enter it and I can simply vote on it that okay, I want to answer this question. Now the next option is the sign up or login part. If you are already the member of here of this mentimeter.com, you can directly log in, otherwise you have to sign up. Now I'll just sign up here and you will get this screen. You can sign up with the Facebook, or you can use any of your Google account, or the next option is you can use any of your email. Any email means you can have Rediff, Yahoo, Hotmail or Gmail, and you can have the account on Mentimeter. So I just select the Google account, provide my details, enter the password and press next button, and you will be redirected here. Fine. This is the login area, and here I got the welcome message. So now I will be redirected directly to the home page where my account has been created. Welcome to Mentimeter. Mentimeter lets you to create interactive presentations to engage your audience with every slide. So their aim is to shine on stage, and they want to know how I would like to use Mentimeter for. You can select any other things. You want to have workshops, you want to have events, you want to have training sessions, or for education purpose. Education, they have educator if you are having higher education part, or you can select as a teacher of K-12 or student at any level. Then you can have for meetings, for conferences and others. So here I'm selecting it for education, and I'm selecting here it as a educator, that is for higher education, and just select get started. Now they have given us the following options of the pricing. You can have free account, you can have basic, pro, or enterprise. If I talk about the free account, you are, for anyone trying out Mentimeter, it's for free. No credit card is needed. You can continue with the free, and there will be very unlimited audience feature. If I go with the basic plan, you can have all essential of interactive presentation built annually, and it's rupees 9 to the 99 per month. That is $9.99 per month. Here you can have unlimited questions. You can import the presentation from your desktop or export to the Excel part. And similarly, you have one pro function where you have remove multi-branding. A multi-branding, you can remove that. You can add your own logo, and you can moderate the question and answers. And the last one is the enterprise, where you can have the company branding, single sign-on, and success manager is there. So I'm selecting the free account only, and I continue here with free. Once you select this, you will be redirected to the first application page. And once you are there, see, I'm here. You will have the option of new presentation because I have created the new account. And in the next video, we are going to create the new presentation and we'll work on the first presentation on Mentimeter. Stay tuned.